Hello students, today in our physics class we are still moving in this lesson nature of physical world and measurement, and this is our session number 7. And in this session number 7 we are going to see very important topics. First one, significant figures and rules for counting this significant figures. Later on we are going to see about the rounding off, which we used very much in our daily life. Then there are some rules for rounding off, and finally the arithmetical operations with significant figures. Now let's move into the significant figures. What are the significant figures? See, the digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit. Okay, uncertain digit are known as significant figures or significant digits because that digits are uncertain digits. I think you all know what's the meaning of uncertain. Now let's move to the rules for counting the significant figures. See, first let us move to the rule. First rule, all non-zero digits are significant digits. So zeros are uncertain digits. An example, 1342 has 4 significant figures. Second rule, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. If you take 2008, 2008, here the zero are non-significant figures, but they are merged between the two significant figures. So the number 2008 has 4 significant figures. Third rule, all zeros to the right of a non-zero digit but to the left of a decimal point are significant. That means all zeros after this, okay, all non-zero digits, 3 0 7 3 and 7 are non-zero digits. Other one are non-significant figures, but they are left of a decimal point are significant, because here there is a decimal point, so it has 5 significant figures. This 30,700 or 30700 dot has 5 significant figures. Let's move to the fourth rule. First point, a number without a decimal point, the terminal or trailing zeros are non-significant. See here 30700 has 3 significant figures. Then all zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. 30700 meter has a 5 significant figures because it is a count. 30,700 meter is a count, so it became a significant figure. Rule number 5, if the number is less than 1, okay, the zero on the right of the decimal point but to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. See, this is 0.00345, that means it is less than 1. Here these 3 are not significant figures, but this 3, 4 and 5 are significant figures. So these are properly one word questions. So take care of these significant figures. Then all zeros to the right of a decimal point. Okay, all zeros to the right of the decimal point and to the right of the non-zero digit. To the right of the non-zero digit are significant. Here, which this 0.00 has 4 significant figures, and 0.030 has 5 significant figures. That means 0, this 0, this 0, this 4, this 0 and this 3 are 5 significant figures. Next, 7th one. The number of significant figures does not depend on the system of units used. Here 1.53 centimeter or 0.0153 meter or 0.000153 kilometer all have 3 significant figures. So we don't use these things as a significant figures, only we calculate this numbers only. That means after the point it's only 153. Let's give some examples. Example 1. Circumference of a circle, which is S is equal to 2 pi r is the formula. Here the factor 2 is exact number. It can be written as 2.0 or 2.00 or 2.000 as required. The second example is x is equal to 5.70 meter, which can be written as 5.70 into the power square centimeter. That means we are converting meter into centimeter, or 5.70 into 10 to the power 3 millimeter. We are converting a meter into millimeter. That means 5.70 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. We are converting this meter into kilometer. In each case, the number of significant figure is 3 because we take only this. Okay, next one is rounding off. See, rounding off, nowadays most of us when we are in the petrol bulk to get petrol or diesel to our vehicle, we don't go for the liters. Is it? We order the bulk person to get 100 rupees. Can you fill the tank for 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 1000 rupees, like that. We don't go for the liters. Put me 1 liter or provide me 5 liters. It's not the thing which nowadays we are doing. That's because we don't have the change as required by the bulk persons. So we try to round off the amount which is easy to transaction. Okay, that's why we used to put as hundreds and tens. That's called rounding off. Now let's move to the lesson. Rounding off means a number is made simpler by keeping its value intact but closer to the next number. Okay, actually nowadays 1 liter petrol costs 84.69 pies. We don't have that pies today, is it? So that's why we closing that nearby 90 rupees or 100 rupees. It is done for whole numbers and for decimals at various places of hundreds, tens, etc. Rounding off numbers is done to preserve the significant figures. Okay, now rounding off the following numbers as indicated. These are some examples. I put this to for your understanding. First one, 18.35 up to 3 digits. Let me show the answer. First one, 18.4. We round off that by another 5, adding another 5 to this. So 18.40 or 4. The next one, 19.45 up to 3 digits. that is this is below 5, so neglect this 5 and we put 19.4. Third one, 101.55 into 10 to the power 6 up to 4 digits. We put 101.6 instead of 55, we put 60 into 10 to the power 6. These are the some examples for rounding off. Now let's move to the rules for rounding off. What are the rules? First one, if the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit should not be left unchanged. That is 7.32 is rounded off to 7.3 and 8.94 is rounded off to 8.9. It's not rounded off to 9. Understand? Second rule, if the digits to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. See this, if it is 17.26 is round off to 17.3 and 11.89 is round off to 11.9. Third rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by the digits other than 0, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. There are two examples. One is 7.352 on being rounded off to first decimal becomes 7.4, and example B, 18.159 being rounded off to first decimal become 18.2. Fourth rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. See here, 3.45 is rounded off to 3.4 only. It's not rounded off to 3.5. And 8.250 is rounded off to 8.2 only, not 8.3 or 8. Now the last rule of rounding off. If the digit is dropped by 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. If it is not odd, that means if it is even, it is not raised. See the example, 3.35 is rounded off to 3.4 and 8.350 is rounded off to 8.4. Now, arithmetical operations with significant figures. First one, addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, the final result should retain as many decimal places as there are in the number with the smallest number of decimal places. First one, 3.1 plus 1.780 plus 2.046 is equal to 6.296, because the 046 and the 780 and this 1 are added equally. Then the 2, the 1 and 3 are added equally. That's why we get 6.93926. Then multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, the final result should retain as many significant figures as there are in original number with smallest number of significant figures. The example 1, 1.21 into 36.72 is equal to 44.4312 is the original answer, but here we put it as 44.4 because this 3 is less than 5, so we neglect this 312, we just put 44.4. Thank you students.